Aerodynamics class told you teardrops are perfect. They lied. Real cars look like squash toasters because physics hates your commute. Let's talk drag coefficients and why your wind tunnel dreams are a structural disaster. Back in 1995, every engineering textbook slapped a teardrop on the cover. Lowest drag, baby. Sure, until you actually try to drive it. The problem isn't the front, it's the back. Perfect teardrop creates a massive vacuum behind it. That's pressure drag. The air slaps the rear end like a wet slap. You're not gliding, you're towing a parachute made of air. Okay, fix the wake by stretching the tail. Classic mistake. Now your car is a submarine. Visibility drops to zero. You'd spend 90% of your life staring at your own hood. Physics doesn't care about your blind spots. Where's the trunk? The teardrop swallows the rear end. Now your grocery bag rides shotgun. And good luck reversing without mounting a mirror the size of a satellite dish. Engineering isn't art, it's compromise. Let's flatten the front to fix visibility. Instant win, right? Wrong. A flat wall slams into the air. You just replaced smooth flow with chaotic pressure drag. You traded a parachute for a brick, so we sharpen the edges, force the air to separate cleanly. Now we get a tidy pressure pocket. No more wake turbulence. Wait, sharp edges choke the radiator. Your engine cooks like a marshmallow. We need cooling air, so we open the grill. But now the aero is ruined again. The loop closes, front flat, bad aero, front sharp, bad cooling, teardrop, bad visibility. It's a three-way deadlock. Enter active aero, virtual teardrops. The car keeps the boxy front for visibility and cooling, but hides sharp edges behind shutters. The wind thinks it's flowing over a teardrop. Your eyes see the road. Physics gets played. That's why your car looks like a squash toaster. It's not lazy design, it's a tactical compromise. Every curve is a calculated lie to trick the wind. We didn't fail aerodynamics, we weaponized it. So next time someone hands you a textbook teardrop, laugh. Real engineering isn't about perfect shapes. It's about surviving the commute. Tell me below, what's the ugliest shape that actually works? I'll read the comments, while my car doesn't float away.